Welcome back, Fly Vegans. So glad to be sharing with you this week. Today we're making a Fly Vegan corn pudding. Let's get to it. In a bowl, I'm going to add some melted vegan butter, flaxseed meal, some seasoning, some warm cashew milk, cornstarch, vegan cheese, and vegan sour cream. Now I'm going to mix this until it's smooth. Then I'll add a box of vegetarian jiffy cornbread mix and some frozen corn. Now I mix the batter until it's smooth again. Then I'll add the batter to a hot oiled pan. Now I'll place this in the oven on 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes.
Yes, Hunty, yes! And that's it, Fly Vegans. Enjoy your corn pudding.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget
To subscribe.